Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can save WhatsApp DP. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to select the DP that you want to save. So I want to save this DP. So you simply need to select, and once you open like this, you are unable to take a screenshot by clicking power down and by clicking volume down and power. So here you can see that you are unable to take, but here you can see that. But if you are taking picture like this, you are able to take. Okay, and then you need to go back and you need to go into the gallery, go into the albums, go into the screenshot, select that, add it, add it here, crop like this, click on save, and now you can see that you have the DP in your smartphone. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.